In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split an issue or ticket in Jira. Splitting an issue is a useful technique that allows you to divide a larger issue into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes it easier to delegate tasks and track progress effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can seamlessly incorporate this into your workflow. To begin, navigate to the project that contains the issue you're looking to split. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working within the right context. You'll have all the relevant information you need at your fingertips, directly related to the tasks at hand. Once you've accessed your project, take a look at the top navigation panel. Here, you'll find the backlog option, which you'll need to click on. The backlog in Jira is an essential feature that displays a list of all outstanding issues. It's your go-to place for locating the specific issue you want to split. When you're scanning through your backlog, find the issue you need to break down. Splitting is especially helpful when an issue is too complex or broad to be effectively tackled as a single entity. So, identifying the right candidate for splitting is important to ensure streamlined task management. Once you've pinpointed the issue, right-click on it. This action will present you with a menu of options. From this menu, select Split Task. It's a straightforward action, yet it opens up opportunities for more detailed and focused task management. By selecting Split Task, Jira will automatically split the issue into two separate issues. It's important to note that this division doesn't just duplicate the task. It creates two independent issues that you can manage and track separately. This is incredibly useful for allocating resources and scheduling efficiently. Now that you have two issues, the next step is to name them suitably. Providing clear and concise names will help ensure that your team members understand what each issue entails. This, in turn, facilitates better communication and execution across the team. If the original issue contains multiple distinct tasks or phases that need individual attention, you have the option to click on Add Another for further subdividing the issue. Finally, once you have completed naming and organizing your issues, you'll want to finalize the process. To do this, simply click on Split. This action solidifies the changes and splits the original issue according to your specifications. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your workload in Jira, breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable components. This not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that each piece of work receives the attention it deserves. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to leverage Jira's capabilities to their fullest potential. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project managing.